Anirudh. Hello, Anirudh.
Good evening, sir.
Danish, good evening. Chirag. Okay. Sharath.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Likita.
Yes, sir.
What is the charge of one electron?
Uh,
Mm,
1.6 into 10 to the
yes.
power minus 19
minus 19 kg, yeah?
coulomb.
Yes, good. Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
No, I can't hear you. Kaushalya.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
In 1 coulomb charge, how many electrons will be there? In 1 coulomb charge, how many electrons are there?
1.6 into 10 to the power minus 2.
No.
Is
See,
it 6.25?
yes,
into 10 to the
6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons in 1 coulomb charge. Okay, so basing on this, we have calculated some of the, I have given some extra information also about current. But if they have mentioned Q charge, if they give Q and T, we can calculate current. So limit delta Q by delta T is nothing but dQ by dt. Here time limit is nearly equal to 0, but not 0. Remember that. Not 0, it's nearly equal to 0. So this is what we have discussed. Current we know. What is current we know. And the formula also we know. If they have given any problem, you can solve that. So it is the first topic, current. Next in this lesson, what we have discussed. Second one. Second topic is that we have discussed resistance. Resistance. What is resistance? Rho L by A is the formula. Anjali.
Yes.
Anjali, what is resistor? Prisha. Okay. Rachana. Hello, Rachana.
Sir.
Rachana, what is resistor? Kushi.
Sir, it's something which resists the flow of
It is a
electric charges.
device. It is
It is a
electrical
device
device.
which resists the flow of current.
Yes, Rachana. Yes, it is the device. Resist the flow of current. Okay. Formula we know. Rho L by rho into L by A. And we can write this rho equal to L by here 1 by rho. What is sigma? Anybody knows what is sigma?
Conductivity, sir.
Yes, conductivity. Conductivity definition.
Is inversely proportional to the
resistivity.
resistivity.
Conductivity, resistivity. Yes. So we have this some sums also on that. Just you have to go through it. And in the resistor, I hope we know about this formula L R1 by R2 equal to L1 square by L2 square. This relation we have written when we have stretched the wire, then we length will increase. When the length is increasing, volume is constant.
Sir,
Length increases, volume is constant.
sir, are we supposed to write this?
Hello.
Sir, are we supposed to write this, sir?
Yes. See, all formulas, whatever the formulas are there in this lesson, current electricity, and which topics we have discussed till now. Once quick revision. That's all. After this, again, when you are going to write examination, that time I will explain. Until that, we don't see again this lesson. So each and every formula you will get.
Okay.
Yes, Chirag.
Okay. Sir.
Yes, ma'am. The resistor first formula it is. Second formula. Third formula, when length is increasing and volume is at constant, some of the things are there. R1 by R2 equal to L1 square by L2 square. One more relation, R1 by R2 equal to A2 square by A1 square. And one more relation, it is fourth one, R1 by R2 equal to R1 power 4 by R2 power 4. It is the radius of the wire. Sorry. Area is directly proportional. Area is nothing but area equal to radius square. So area square. So A square equal to R to the power of 4. So A2 R2. A1 R1 square power 4. Power 4. So this is the fifth formula in the resistor. Effect of percentage change in length of wire. Length of wire. Percentage was how it will change. We know the formula R2 by R1 equal to L square 1 plus X by 100 whole square by L square. Is the percentage change. We have to use this formula. Likita,
Sir,
what is the current density? Hello.
Current by area.
Yes, current by area, current density. Okay. Derive current density equal to sigma into E. Here current density is the vector quantity, electric field is the vector quantity. We know that J current density equal to I by A. And since since I equal to V by R from Ohm's law. So J equal to, so we can write down V by RA, since I equal to V by R. J equal to EL by rho L by A into A, since V equal to E dot L or EL and R equal to rho L by A. Just we have substituted. Then A, L, L, J equal to E by rho. J bar equal to sigma E bar. Understand? Kushi,
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In some question, some of the question papers, you can see this question. It is very important question actually. 2 mark or 3 mark, they can ask. Just we know that J is equal to I by A. Then current here, current density direction is along the electric field. What is the formula for total current? Total current. I'm not asking current. Total current in the conductor. Anirudh? Anirudh? Danish? Rachana?
I is equal to ENAVD.
No. Total current, right? Electrons are moving and protons also are given. Ne, Np into E by T. Did you remember? Rachana, did you remember that formula? It is the total circuit in the conductor. Total current in the conductor. Kushi,
Yes, sir.
did you remember that formula? We did 1 or 2 sums also, right?
I don't know, sir, because I was not there for that class.
No, you didn't
I
ask
think.
me after that. Which
Sir,
class you
which class was this, sir, when you
first?
taught this?
It is the second class.
Oh, then I think I don't remember, sir.
Okay. Which classes you miss? If anybody,
The
if you miss,
last 4 classes,
okay,
like from 24th.
okay, fine. But now, whatever I'm telling in that time, Now remember, just electrons and protons, if two are moving, what is the total current in that? Then you have to add Ne plus Np into E by T. It is the one more formula for current. Till now, what I have discussed, everything you will get today. Sanchit,
Yes, sir.
you know this formula, right?
No, sir, I don't remember, sir.
Okay. We did one sum also once. Revise the notes once, okay?
Yes, sir.
One more formula for current. And in this lesson, what we have discussed, drift velocity. Drift velocity denoted letter Vd. First formula. Vd equal to E tau by m, mass of the electron. First formula it is. Second formula. Vd equal to mu E. Kaushalya,
Sir?
what is mu there?
Sir?
What is mu here?
I don't remember, sir.
Okay, just listen now. Rachana,
Mobility, sir.
yes. Who is that? Yeah. Yes, ma. It is mobility. So that's what we have written. Mobility mu equal to ratio of drift velocity by electric field. And one more formula for drift velocity. It is related with the current. I by N E A. One more formula it is drift velocity. So there are three formulas for drift velocity. Remember that. Kavya, Prisha, Lakshmi,
Yes, sir.
what is drift velocity?
So it is the minimum velocity with which the electron is drifted to the opposite to
Wow,
the
awesome.
electric field.
Nice, very good, ma. Remember the three formulas.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Resistance, just now we have written R is equal to rho L by A. Here resistivity is equal to RA by L is the resistivity. Resistance, conductance. Resistivity, conductivity. Anybody can say what is the conductance? What is conductance?
Reciprocal of the resistance.
Yes, reciprocal of the resistance. So conductance denotes letter G, R, S, reciprocal of the resistance. Conductivity, 1 by rho, reciprocal of the resistivity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, temperature depends on resistance. I told original resistance is depending on change in resistance is depending on original resistance. Change in resistance is depending on directly proportional to original resistance, and change in resistance, like sorry, change in resistance is depending on original resistance, and change in resistance is depending on temperature. From this both, from equation 1 and 2, we have written R equal to R naught 1 plus alpha into T minus T naught. It is the formula for temperature depends on resistance, and we did some sums, and from this they can ask you coefficient of resistance. Coefficient of resistance or coefficient of temperature depends, right? Coefficient of resistance, R equal to alpha equal to R2 minus R1 by R1 into T2 minus T1. Coefficient of resistance when the temperature depends of resistance.
Sir, it should be T1 minus T2 in that RT formula, or T2 minus T1, sir. Not the alpha one, RT, sir.
Here, right?
Yes, sir.
See, here you can say that it is T2 minus T1. Otherwise, it is T naught. Initial temperature, final temperature. Like that. Okay, now in this place I can write,
Sir, is it initial minus final, sir?
yes, final minus initial, T2, T1. R2 equal to R1 into alpha plus, 1 plus alpha into T2 minus T1. Final minus initial. Okay, this is the very important formula, and nearly 4-5 sums we did on these formulas. Next, combination of resistors. Series combination we know. How many sums, how many methods we did in this on the sums, you know? First one is series combination. R equivalent R1 plus R2 plus R3 and so on. How many resistors they will give? That many resistances we have to add. Parallel combination. So R equivalent equal to 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 and so on. Mixed combination. Mixed combination like here R1, R2, R3. Here parallel combination is there. If you solve these two resistors, you will get the series combination. That is called mixed combination. See once. That's the question. And that is 3. After the 3 combinations, one more question. It is the 4th method. Find R equivalent. It is the 4th method. Find R equivalent here. Now the 3 resistors are in series or parallel?
Parallel.
What you did here, it is we have to take V. Here we have to take O. Here also V. Along this V. Here O. It is also O. So V and O. All resistors are between V and O. This resistor V and O. This resistor V and O. And this. So all 3 things are in parallel. So you can calculate and you will get answer. It is the 4th method. Yeah, 4th method it is. How much you got answer? 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. How much?
Sir, answer is 1, sir.
1.
3 by 3, no, sir. It will be.
Yes, sir.
3 by 3. 1, huh? Yeah, I think you will get more, less than 1. 1 by R equivalent equal to, yeah, 3 by 3. You will get 1. R equivalent equal to 1. It is the one method. One more method. Try to solve this method. Find R equivalent if It is the fifth method. Rachana,
Sir,
did you remember this?
yes.
Yeah. Tell me how many, which resistors are in series, which resistors are in parallel. What you have to do? It is V, along this V, here also V. It is O, you can't give here O because you are crossing the resistor, give some X. If it is the X, come here, along this, it is X. Likita,
Sir?
did you understand this method?
Yes, sir.
Kushi?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes. Now, how many points are there? We have V, X, and O. First resistor between V and X. Second resistor between V and X. First resistor V and X. Second resistor V and X. Third resistor also V and X. Fourth resistor is X and O. 2 ohms, 2 ohms, 2 ohms, and 2 ohm. R equivalent equal to. R equivalent equal to.
Sir, 8/3.
8/3.
3.
Is it? Think no. Here, how much will you get? If you solve this, how much you are getting?
So 3/2.
Yes, 3/2, right? 3/2 plus
Sir, 7/2, sir.
7/2,
Answer.
sir.
good 7/2. It is fifth method. Sixth method. Now it is sixth method. Same methods we will use for capacitor. That's all. There is no new methods to learn. Similar. See once. It is V, some X. It is O, some y. V x O y. First resistor V and Y. Second resistor V and X. Third resistor in this type. Fourth resistor X and O. Fifth resistor O and A. So you know that now what will happen? X and Y. X and Y. It is the third one. R3. R1, R2, R3, R4 and everything is 2 ohms. Now what will happen? This method we have solved. One problem we solved in this method. Hello.
Sir, R3 will be eliminated, no, sir?
Yes, R3 will be eliminated. That's what it is basing on. Balanced
Wheatstone bridge.
Wheatstone bridge. Yes, balanced Wheatstone bridge that we have learned in the Kirchhoff laws. In the balanced Wheatstone bridge, here and here potential difference. Suppose if it is the X and it is the Y, potential difference between X and Y is 0. When potential difference is 0, whatever the current is passing through it is 0. When current is not passing through it, so it can be eliminated. So these two will be in the series. These two will be in the series. You will get one resistor here and one resistor here. Both will be in the parallel. That's what you have to do. Everything is 2 ohms. So 4, 4. It is 2 ohms, 2 ohms, 2 ohms, and 2. Everything is 2. Both are in the series. So we have to add. Both are in the series. We have to add. Now it is in the parallel. So R equivalent equal to 1/4 plus 1/4. Next one. Did you get answer? Anirudh? Dhanush? And infinite circuit also we have solved. Infinite circuit method also we have solved. That is 7th. So we have learned 7 methods. 7 method of problems. Each and every method you should know. So you have to practice each and one question for each and every method. At least one question you should solve. Okay, let's see one more. Just look at the topic. Shortcut, little bit shortcut. Let's see. Look at this. Current through any resistor. Suppose if I ask you how much current is passing through the second resistor, how will you calculate? If I ask you how much current is passing through the first resistor, how will you calculate? There is one formula for that. Current equal to, suppose if I ask I1, I will write I1. If I am asking I2, I will write I2 here. That's all. I total means total current. I total into resistance of opposite branch. Resistance of opposite branch divided by total resistance. Resistance of opposite branch by total resistance. That means if I ask you what is the I1, if I ask you what is the I1, I will write I1 here. Opposite branch what? It is the opposite branch. Opposite branch resistance how much? R2. R2 by R total resistance R1 plus R2. If I ask you I2, I2 is here. What is the opposite branch? It is the opposite branch. So opposite branch resistance R1 by R1 plus R2. Rachana,
Sir?
did you understand that formula?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how to calculate current in the each branch. Current through any resistor. One question. One question for you. In the circuit, find currents I comma I1 comma I2. Now calculate. How will you calculate? Hello. Banu Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Banu Prasad, can you calculate current?
Yes, sir. 6
Yeah.
ampere.
Yeah.
I is 6, sir.
I is 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Very good. I is 6. Why? Because these two resistors are in parallel. When resistors are in parallel, we have formula. That formula is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. That you will get R dash. So in this two resistors place, you will get one resistor, that is R dash. That R dash is R1 is 3 into 6 by 9. Because, yeah, 9. So you will get 2 ohms. Now this resistor and this resistor are in the series. So you will get 5. So total resistance you will get 5 ohms. So here E given 30. So EMF equal to 30. Current, how to calculate? I equal to E by R. So I equal to, sorry, 30 by 5. You will get 6 amperes. Once if you know the current, now see current I1. So I1 formula just now I told, I1 equal to total current 6, opposite branch resistance 6 by total resistance. What is the total resistance? I. Nothing but 5. So I1 equal to 36 by 5. I1 equal to opposite branch
36 by 9, sir. I1 will be 4.
total resistance, right? 9. 4, right? 4
Yes,
amperes.
sir.
I2
2 amperes.
2 amp.
2 amperes. That's all. So remember, current in first resistor, if you want to calculate total current into opposite branch resistance by total resistance. One question. Kushi,
Sir?
are you following?
Yes, sir.
Let's see question. A rectangular carbon block has dimensions 1.0 centimeter into 1.0 centimeter into 50 centimeter. Resistances are measured first across two square ends and then across two rectangular across rectangular ends and across two square ends and then rectangular ends. Square ends and rectangular ends respectively. Respectively. If hello, just a minute, sir. I am in class. Resistivity of carbon is 3.5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 ohm meter. Then, sir, I am in class. Tell me. Over, sir. Online, sir, in home, from home. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Puja Garden, first main, first class, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.